Developing mental strength isn't about having to be the best of everything. It isn't also about earning the most money or achieving the biggest accomplishment. Instead, developing mental strength means knowing that you will be okay no matter what happens. Hello everyone and welcome to Avid Wisdom. This is the summary of the book called 13 Things Mentally Strong People Do by Amy Morin. Before we continue, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Hit the like button if you like this video. Watch this video till the end to have a great insight from this book. Number 1. They don't waste time feeling sorry about themselves. Self-pity is easily the most destructive of the non-pharmaceutical neurotics. It is addictive, gives momentarily pleasure, and separates the victim from the reality. Number 2. They don't give away their power. Do not let the other people control the way you think about yourself. Don't change your goals based on other people. Number 3. They don't shy away from change. It is not that some have willpower and others don't. It is that some people are ready to change and others are not. Why it is bad? Staying the same means getting stuck. You don't learn new things. Your life may not get better. You won't challenge yourself to develop better habits. Other people will outgrow you. Longer you wait, the harder it gets. How to do it? Create a list of pros and cons for the change and try to implement them step by step, slowly. Number 4. They don't focus on things they can't control. We tend to have a habit of trying to control everything around us. But it is wise to know that even though we know somewhere inside us that we can't control them, and the result, we get frustrated and annoyed and we lose focus. So always remember to focus on things that you can control instead of things you can't. Number 5. They don't worry about pleasing everyone. Care about what others think and you will always be their prisoners. Most people think that people pleasing is generous. It's actually self-centered. It assumes that everyone cares about your every move. It also assumes that you think you have the willpower to control how others feel. Determine who you want to please to achieve your goal. Clarify your values. Take your time before saying yes or no. Practice tolerating the discomfort of saying no or express your true feeling. Number 6. They don't fear taking calculated risk. Don't be too squeamish about your action. All life is an experiment. The more experiments you make, the better person you become. Try to explore your habits and think more about logic, and it will be easier taking the calculated risk. Success don't find you. You have to pursue it. Stepping into the unknown and taking careful calculated risk can help you fulfill your goals. Number 7. They don't dwell on the past. You miss out on the present if you constantly think about your past. It will interfere your decision making and doesn't solve anything, leading to depression and can make you exaggerate. Number 8. They don't make the same mistake over and over again. Research shows your retention rate are normally greater after making a mistake as opposed to just being told the answer. View your mistake not as a negative but as an opportunity to improve yourself. Most effective people actually share their mistakes. Number 9. They don't resent other people's success. Resent is like drinking poison and thinking it will kill your enemy. Nelson Mandela. Jealousy. I want what you have. Resentment. I want what you have but not for you to have it. When you are happier for other people, you will attract and not repel successful people. Number 10. They don't give up after their first failure. Each failure let him learn a bit more. Number 11. They don't fear alone time. Learn meditation, mindfulness, teach yourself to accept thoughts whatever they are at the moment. Mindfulness help you get into the zone, can help you recognize what's holding you back. Number 12. They don't feel the world owes them anything. Don't go around saying the world owes you a living. The world owes you nothing. It is here first. The focus on helping kids develop self-esteem has gone overboard. Don't wait as if the world is going to give you something. Number 13. They don't expect immediate results. Delayed gratification never lets you do anything. It is born from the fear inside you, which holds you back on doing something you really want to do it, but then you fear and then you delay it, thinking that you will do it after time and making excuses like I don't have time, I'm not prepared for it, or I'll do it sometime later. If you have not watched my other video regarding delayed gratification, please watch it. Link is in the description below. Let me conclude this video by saying everyone suffers bad experiences, career disappointments, losses and misfortune. If you wonder why some people weather setbacks and challenge better than others, psychotherapist Amy Morin has beautifully answered these questions, practicing strategies that help keep you mentally strong. Her explanation on 13 behaviors to avoid and good habits to develop in their place, and the stories she tells with each entry will spur you to think about how you handle whatever comes on your way. Hope you like this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you have any suggestions for our channel, do let me know in the comment down below, and do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Share this video with your friends. See you till the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.